Welcome to this video tutorial. In this topic, we are going to review how to effectively record absence. In order to help us manage our contractual obligation to our main ingredient, we must ensure that there are robust processes in place in terms of recording and managing absence. This video will demonstrate how to record absence using Time Off Request Manager. We start on the My Day screen. This is the default landing page in Flow Dayforce. In our first example, we had a call from Adam, informing us that they would not be able to make it to work today as they are ill. When they called, they informed us that they would be fit to return to work tomorrow. Maximize the Time Off Request Manager window to start recording this absence by pressing this icon here. Now we can see any pending requests for holidays and time off. In this instance, we are going to add a new absence. To do this, click the big green plus New icon. Once the new window opens, we are going to select Adam from our list of team. Click the people icon and now you can see a list of all the team. We can filter through the team by clicking the letters. This then shows anyone whose name starts with that letter. Click A and select Adam. Now we need to add a reason for the absence. Select the reason drop down and this will display all the absence categories. Adam is sick, so for this we are going to select Statutory Sick Pay. This will record the absence as illness, but will not pay SSP unless the absence period is long enough and the team member is entitled to it. Adam informed us that they were suffering a migraine and they would be back to work tomorrow, so we are going to select today's date. Open the calendar and add the start date. Today will be the default date that the calendar moves to. As they will be back tomorrow, the end date is also today. Let's add that in also. Now, so we have a record, we are going to add some details in the comments box. Remember that the team members can see these comments. We're going to add that Adam spoke to the DGM at 8 AM for their shift starting at 1 PM. Adam had a migraine and will be back into work the following day. Once you are happy all these details are correct, click the green tick icon. This will record the absence and will now be present on the time away from work report. Now let's look at other types of absence. Marie has called and informed us that her daughter is ill and she needs to stay at home to look after her. They have been to their GP and they have informed us that they will not be back to work tomorrow either. Let's record this absence. So again, open the Time Off Request Manager, select New, proceed to pick the employee from the list. We will now select the reason using the drop-down box. This time we will select Unpaid Absence. Again, we must enter the date as we did in our first example, only this time we select today as the start date and tomorrow as the end date. We are going to add a comment to detail the reason for this absence. Remember, these comments are seen by our team. We will enter absent due to daughter's illness. Once you are happy, click the green tick icon. We can use the same process to record maternity and paternity, just select the option from the drop-down box. Andrew has not arrived for his shift, and he has not let anyone know. We have tried to call him, but there is no answer. We should now record this shift as AWOL. To do this, use the Time Off Request Manager, click New, and select Andrew from the list. We will then need to add in the reason. There is no reason code for AWOL, so we will use Unpaid Absence. Enter today's date for the start and end. We will now add comments. This is where we will type AWOL. We will add the details of the shift times and what actions we took to contact the employee. Once you are happy, click the green tick. All of these absences have been recorded and will appear in any time off work report you run that covers these dates. This will help you to understand any variances on the actual versus contract report. It will also assist you in managing absence with a view to reducing it where possible. All of these actions will result in us having the right people in the right place at the right time.